Hello everyone, I'm Shalja from Simply Wow, an AI-driven SaaS platform that aggregates and helps the collaboration in the cosmetics, aesthetics, and the wellness ecosystem. As it is a known fact that beauty brings confidence in everyone. Beauty is something that the society has put so much emphasis on it being an admired for. And to enhance your beauty and looks, today we have with us an exceptionally talented doctor, dermatologist, Dr. Sandeep Mahapatra. He is one of the leading dermatologists in Bangalore. He has many awards and affiliations to his credit. And today, he will be speaking about his clinic, Derma Solutions, and its specializations located in Marathali, Bangalore. So I welcome you, Dr. Sandeep. So, Dr. Sandeep, can you tell about your clinic success journey so far and also a bit about yourself to our audience?
Okay. Thank you so much, Saileja. I am Dr. Sandeep Mahapatra, consultant dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon, working presently at my own clinics, Derma Solutions and Neo Follicle Transplant Clinic, located both at Marathali, Bangalore. I'm basically MD dermatologist and having fellowships in hair transplant surgery and cosmetic surgeries as well. So past almost 14 and a half years, post my MD, I've been practicing this branch of medicine. Dermatology, as you know, moreover is from ranging from basic dermatology to the cosmetic dermatology aspects, which includes a lot of cosmetic procedures for skin and hair, which we incorporate in our practice, like microdermabrasion, chemical peels, lasers for laser hair reduction, then laser pigmentation reduction, tattoo removal. Then we do fractional CO2 laser sessions for scar treatment. A lot of acne and pigmentation scar treatments we do via lasers. And there are other modes of other lasers which we do, radio frequency skin tightening, cryolipolysis, and even liposuction surgeries for fat reduction, slimming, and body contouring. But basically, my more interest goes into hair transplant and hair restorative procedures. So we started a clinic of Derma Solutions in 2014, and then I another clinic of mine, Neo Follicle, we started in 2018, which is majorly pertaining to hair transplant surgeries and hair restoration procedures.
So, at this present COVID situation, our audience would like to know what are the protocols or the precautionary measures that you have been taking care, you've been treating your patients.
In this prevailing COVID situation, which is really a very troublesome situation, we have converted our clinics to a COVID care protected facility where we are taking and following all protocols and norms for safety guidelines during COVID times, which includes patient safety by calling them via appointments only, not clouding the spaces, overcrowding the spaces, and then measuring all safety and sanitation procedures and giving them hand gloves and wearing even the patients wear face sheets, and even we have a protected facility where we all staff and including doctors wear PPE kits, suits, coveralls, and hand hygiene is particularly followed with N95 masks for almost all the staff, and even we encourage patients wearing proper masks while they come for consultations or procedures. And and in case of any uh, influenza like illness suspect patients, we triage them, we send them to other hospitals for other care. Other than that, being a cosmetic care center and a hair transplant surgical center, we take utmost precaution in maintaining safety and standard hygiene protocols.
So I'm sure that even before the pre-COVID era, also, every clinic were ensuring all these precautionary measures. But now it is 100%, safety or thing that you need to ensure, right?
Exactly, exactly.
So, Dr. Sandeep, apart from the clinic specialization, what would you like to tell our audience all about? Something that you would like to speak about your clinic or your specialized expertise.
Yes. So skill and expertise is something which definitely lies with the doctor and the staff treating the patients. For the patients, it's very important to have a good skin and hair, nail care regime. We regularly post blogs on our website regarding proper skin, hair care management. And any case of any skin illness or ailments, please do meet a dermatologist, a certified dermatologist, get their opinion, get that thing treated. In cosmetic dermatology, proper maintenance of skin and hair with proper products and even some procedures, if necessary, the patients can follow. So these things are very important that the patients can update their knowledge, and even we update as being doctors regularly on almost a very regular basis our knowledge pertaining to cosmetic procedures, and for patients better efficacy and results when we consider procedures for them.
So at this present situation, what are the types of consultations you've been taken, so that is there any direct walk-ins, or what are the protocols that you've been following here?
Yeah, in the prevailing situation, definitely patients don't want to come to the clinic. So we are doing a lot of online consultations, tele-dermatology, tele-consultations for allergic skin conditions, for psoriasis, for vitiligo, for a lot of other conditions, even pigmentation, acne, hair loss. We're doing tele-consultations. And even in some emergency skin conditions, or if they want to meet us, I'm always there at the clinic to have a in-person consultation, which I definitely believe in. And even we are doing cosmetic procedures like hair transplant, PRP, lasers, after doing their COVID tests and maintaining all protocols in place, wearing all PPE suits, and we are going and doing the procedures. Obviously, now people are a little skeptical, but once they consider that it is a safe place to do and following all the norms, then they go ahead with and for doing the procedures.
So thank you, Dr. Sandeep, for letting our audience know about your clinic expertise. So dear viewers, in case if you want to get in touch with Dr. Sandeep for any of your dermatology related treatments, you can reach out to their clinic address given on this screen. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.